Good morning. My name is Christo. I'm from the informatics programs. Today, I would like to present a topic about augmented reality application in the filmmaking sector. How this technology has a changed the way filmmakers create, plan, and produce movies. I will also use some movie clips from The Mandalorian, Jungle Book, and Iron Man as illustration during my explanation. In the presentation, I will explain at least three real applications of augmented reality in filmmaking, how its technology works, and their strengths and weakness. Augmented reality, or ER, is technology that overlays computer-generated images, sounds, or information onto the real-world environment. Different from virtual reality, which replaces the real world completely. In filmmaking, is used long before the final movie reaches the audience. During pre-production, on set, and even during performance. Let me explain three major applications. The first application is virtual production using ER, power LED volumes, a technology powered by industrial like magic system called StarCraft, famously used in the series The Mandalorian. How it works: instead of film actor in front of a green screen, the production team built a massive curved wall made of LED screens surrounding the set. A computer generated background, for example, a desert planet or futuristic city, is displayed on this screen in real time. The system tracks the camera, position, and angle, so the background image shifts natural with the camera movement, just like a real environment will. This creates a believable illusion that the actors are physically standing inside the world. How it helps making professional director and cinematographers can see the final looking background live on set. Instead of imagining a green screen and fix it months later in post production, actor can react naturally because they actually see the environment around them, which improve the quality of their performance. It also saves locations, scouting costs, and travel time. Because exotic location can recreate digitally on soundstage strengths, real-time visual feedback, reduce reshoots, improve actor performance, save location costs, and produce realistic lighting. Reflection automatically. Weakness. This technology is extremely expensive to set up. The LED walls and computing power require a big budget, which makes it a solely big budget production. It also requires a trained technologically crews to operate and rendering very complex. Digital environment in real time can still cause minor visual glitch if not properly calibrated. The second application is ER-based pre-visualization using software such as Unreal Engine and tools like Snapchat Lens Studio, which director and cinematographers now use to plan scenes before and during filming. How it works? Before shooting begins, the director can use tablet or ER headset pointed at the actual physical set. The software overlays digital elements, a CGI monster, a specific shape, or planet camera movement paths directly onto the live camera view. This lets the whole crew visualize exactly how the final shot will look, including where CGI cars will stand or move, without needing those elements to physically exist yet. How it helps filmmaking professional? This replaces traditional and drawn storyboard with a dynamic three-dimensional preview. Directors can experiment with different camera angle instantly. Cinematographers can plan lighting setup more accurately, and the whole team can communicate their creative vision clearly before expensive filming days begin. Strengths: faster and more flexible planning compared to traditional storyboards, reduce miscommunication between departments, and save production time by catching problems early. Weakness: require the crew to learn new software and ER hardware, which adds a learning curve and training costs. Small or low budget production may not be able to afford the specialist ER visualization tools or experienced operators. The third application is ER visual reference for actors, used to help performers X opposite character or objects they don't physically exist on set, such as monsters, robots, or holographic display. A clear pop culture example of how this concept is imagined on screen is the heads-up display or AUD inside Tony Stark's suits in the Iron Man films. How it works in the real production on real film sets, ER glasses or small monitor are used to show actor raw digital version of the CGI character or object they are supposed to be reacting to instead of just acting toward a tennis ball on a stick. This gives them a much clearer sense of skill, highline, and timing. How it helps filmmaking professionals. It dramatically improves the believability of an actor performance because their eye contact, fear, excitement, or surprise become genuine rather than quest. Director can also give more practice feedback on set instead of waiting for the CGI to be added months later in post production. Strengths: more natural and convincing acting, better director actor communication, or fewer costly reshoot caused by mismatched eye lines or reactions. Weakness: the ER preview shown to actor is usually a raw, unfinished first version of the final CGI, so there can still be a gap between what the actor react to and the polished final visual. Some actor also find it distracting or uncomfortable to wear ER device while performing emotional scenes. In conclusion, augmented reality has transformed filmmaking into a more efficient, collaborative, and creative process. It also filmmakers to see their imagination come alive in real time, help actors perform more convincingly, and save both the time and the cost in production. Although it still comes with the challenge such as high cost, technical complexity, and the need for skilled operator. As ER technology continues to develop and become more available, I believe we will to see not only big budget Hollywood production, but also in smaller, independent, or even student film project in the future. Thank you for watching my presentation. This is Christoph Tupadopurba, signing off. Thank you and see you next time.